Hello everyone, today we are going to present a course that talks about Discover Civil Engineering. The civil engineering is one of the oldest branches of engineering. It encompasses the design, construction, maintenance, and the renovation of the infrastructure and structure that form the built environment of our modern society. From bridges to dams, from roads to skyscrapers, civil engineering shapes our daily environment and meets humanity' fundamental needs for housing, transportation, and infrastructure. The civil engineering can be defined as the discipline that applies scientific and technical principles to the planning, design, construction, and management of civil engineering works. These works include building and structure, transport infrastructure, hydraulic structure, sanitation and water supply networks, urban and territorial development. A civil engineer must possess solid knowledge in mathematics, physics, mechanics, and materials, as well as an understanding of the economic, environmental, and social aspect of their here is an illustration, an example of a wastewater treatment. Let's move on now to the importance of civil engineering. The civil engineering is of paramount importance to society as it plays a central role in building the infrastructure necessary for economic and social development. The work carried out by civil engineers has a profound impact on a country's quality of life, safety, and economic growth. Here are some key aspects of its importance. First of all, the civil engineering projects are central to economic development. Roads, railways, ports, and airports facilitate the transport of people and goods, enabling economic exchange and the growth of national and international trade. Major transport infrastructure, such as bridges and tunnels, connect remote areas to urban centers, thus contributing to economic integration. Furthermore, drinking water and energy are key elements in the construction of modern society. Dams, water treatment plants, and power plants are essential to ensure a reliable supply of natural resources. These infrastructure are crucial for supporting rapid urbanization and population growth. Secondly, the civil engineers play a crucial role in structural safety. They must design buildings, bridges, tunnels, and roads that not only meet functional needs but are also safe and resilient to natural disasters such as earthquake, floods, and storms. For example, the construction of safety dams or the design of earthquake-resistant buildings are areas where civil engineering has a direct impact on disaster prevention. Thirdly, in the modern era, civil engineering has had to evolve to meet environmental challenges. Civil engineers are now tasked with designing infrastructure while adhering to the principle of sustainable development. This includes the use of environmentally friendly materials, reducing reducing the carbon footprint of a building, managing construction waste, and utilizing green energy. For example, the use of recycled materials and the construction of energy efficient building are among the priority of modern civil engineering. After we have urbanization and quality of life. Rapid urbanization and global population growth are creating an increasing need for housing, public transportation, and basic service infrastructure. Civil engineers play a key role in urban planning on ensuring that cities and rural areas develop in an orderly manner with robust and efficient infrastructure. Let us now turn to the role of civil engineering in urbanization. We have accommodation, innovation and technology, resource management, sustainable development, and infrastructure. Now we're talking about the main specialization of civil engineering. The civil engineering is subdivided uh, into several specialties, each course corresponding to a particular area of expertise. Firstly, we have structure and materials. Structural engineering focuses on the design and analysis of load bearing element in building. Structural engineering calculate the strength of materials and demonstration structural element to ensure the stability and safety of structures under permanent loads, leave loads, and exceptional stress. In a man of intervention, we have design of steel and reinforced concrete structure, calculation of wooden structure, seismic analysis of building, rehabilitation and reinforcement of existing structure, and finally we have design of special structure. So this figure presents the elements of a bridge in civil engineering. So the structural engineering specialty is a branch of civil engineering dedicated to the design, calculation, construction and maintenance of large scale structure of particular technical complexity. These structures are distinguished from conventional building by their function of spanning, retaining or protecting, as well as by their exceptional dimension and constraint. A work of art is a construction whose realization require advanced technical skills in strength of materials, soil mechanics, hydraulics, and structural analysis. Main areas of intervention, we have crossing structure, retaining structure, hydraulic structure, maritime and port works, special civil engineering works, and maintenance and rehabilitation. And this figure represents a hydraulic structure. For housing equipment, the building equipment specialization in civil engineering focuses on all the technical installation that make a building habitable, comfortable, and functional. This discipline deals with all the systems that are not part of the load-bearing structure but are essential to the proper function of a dwelling. Main areas of intervention, we have plumbing and sanitary ware, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, electricity and lighting, elevators and vertical transportation, fire safety, communication systems, and insulation and acoustics, renewable energy management. Finally, we have home automation and automation. And this figure represents an insulation and acoustics system. And the last one, we have public works. The public works encompass all infrastructure and equipment built on behalf of public authorities or for the general interest. This field differs from building construction in the nature of the structure built, which are intended for collective use. So for main areas of intervention, we have road and motorway infrastructure, roads and utilities, earthworks and earth moving, hydraulic structures, railway infrastructure, aeroport infrastructure, port and maritime facility, and underground works, urban and landscape design. Finally, we have environmental work. Thank you for your attention.